Then the release becomes the reward, and I don't have to do a big pet reward to get my message through to the horse. Now you see me work this both directions. I've worked the left, I've worked the right. Now what I want to do at this point is I'm going to let this horse stand. We did that step release a couple of times. I'm going to let this horse stand, and I'm going to let that soak in. It is just as important that I stop and I let the maneuver that we just practiced soak into that horse's brain as it is that I teach the maneuver to begin with. When you step release, if you keep doing that too much without a soak and reward, then the horse will get frustrated. It's like, well, I keep stepping and you keep pushing. I stop and soak, let it soak into that horse's brain. Yeah, you did the right thing. I'll give you a big reward. That brain's going to say, well, I worked hard for that and I got rewarded. I'll give you effort again next time. And you keep building from that, your effort will get better and better every time.